Hello and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. We are continuing looking at an overview of the Excel ribbon, and in this video we will be looking specifically at the Clipboard Group. The Clipboard Group in its simplest form allows you to cut, copy and paste information. Cutting information is easy by just selecting what you want to select, cutting, and then clicking paste. This can also be achieved via keyboard shortcuts of Control X to cut and Control V to paste. When cutting or copying, you also have various paste options, which will be discussed in later videos. There are two functions on the copy function, which is simply to duplicate any data that is currently selected, or you can copy as a picture. This allows you to copy the information and paste it as a picture, which instead of being an editable cell, it is a picture that can be pasted into any other application as well. I trust you find this video useful and see you in the next. Remember to like and subscribe.